The Crown Gospel Music Awards founder Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule has passed away. The 52-year-old legendary TV and radio presenter passed away in Parklands Hospital, Johannesburg in the early hours of Monday morning. She was battling lung cancer. Her husband, Bishop Mpendule Nkambule, confirmed the tragic news on the X app. He said, "It is with a heavy heart that we, the Nkambule and Mbokazi family, announce the passing of our dearly beloved Miss Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio personality. She departed to be with the Lord early hours of 12 August 2024 at Parklands Hospital. We are grateful for all the prayers, love, and support we received throughout her illness. The family would appreciate privacy as we navigate at this challenging time." Mbokazi was recently diagnosed with lung cancer. Since going public with her health issues, she had an outpouring of support from fans and media personalities. Mbokazi reportedly started getting sick in April this year and underwent surgery after experiencing shortness of breath. Mpendule Nkambule shared the news of her cancer diagnosis on Ukhozi FM, where Mbokazi hosted the gospel show Eshilo on Sundays. Earlier this year, gospel artists and preachers hosted a prayer for Mbokazi's recovery at the Assemblies of God Church in Sandton. The attendance list included legendary gospel singers and preachers like Rebecca Malope, Bishop Benjamin Dube, Sfiso Mabuza, Soli Mahlangu, Bishop Mpendule Nkambule, and others. The Crown Gospel Music Awards salutes and celebrates excellence within the gospel music industry in South Africa and beyond.